Hi there. My name is Mr. Ford. I'm a shop teacher at a local high school, and this is one of the first things that we learn in class is brazing safety. And I put my turbo torch up here on the table, and the first thing I'm going to do is go through and unknot the hoses. And then I'll go through the hose and check each part of it to make sure there's no cracks or cuts or breaks in the hose. And then from there, on to my next step, which will be to go over and check the valve. And I show the number 3 here because this particular one has 3 valves, one on the top, one on the turbo torch itself, and then one on the wand. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to crack the first valve and open up the gas. The second valve, I will front seat all the way until that stops, and then I will secure my tank on the ground. From that point, I will take the tank, set it off to the side. My pipe is already set up, and I'm going to crack the gas, make sure the gas is coming out, and then I close it again. Brazing rod, I'm using a Harris brazing rod, 5% silver. I'll set that off to the side, and I also make sure that on the table I have a wet rag and a set of channel locks. So I got my torch, it's on full blast, and now for brazing tip. One of the things that I like to do is make sure that the pipe is extremely hot, and we're looking for a glowing red, like a cherry color. So once it's that cherry color, then I know it's time to apply that brazing rod in my hand. So now it's starting to heat up, it's starting to change color, and in this format, when we teach brazing for the first time, obviously safety glasses. I do not like to wear gloves because I like to sense the heat. I like to make sure that I know what's hot where, and that's just one of the tips that I work with here. And you can actually see the pipe glowing when I move that flame away, and it slows down. So once that pipe gets hot enough, that cherry red color, that brazing rod melts just like butter, and it'll stay on there. It'll be nice and secure. That's pretty much a wrap. I'll put my brazing rod down, turn my gas off, and then that's a wrap.